Yeah, welcome to the INFiLED booth. My name is Andreas. I'm responsible for the European market for sales, and I'm going to introduce our products. Here we have our X series. It's a very special product. You don't see it very often, this kind of product, because you can bend it in any direction, and it's very flexible. You can do like S-types, you can do it convex and concave, and if you see behind it, you can do it in any shape. So architects like and really love this kind of product because you can use it for very many different applications. We use it very much in retail markets. We use it like in shopping malls. You can see it at airports. These are this kind of installations we have this product for, and it's also in the fixed and also in the rental market. If you want to see it, come by our booth at ISE or look at our website infiled.com.